Namaste, welcome back to Yogisha channel. Today we are just going to discuss about what type of yoga a person 50 plus will be able to do in the yoga class. Normally people have a feeling that after 50 people think that they will not be able to do any yoga asanas. So before that, my request is please subscribe to this Yogisha channel and click the bell button also. Krishnamacharya used to tell, if you can breathe, you can do yoga. He said 50 years back, 50 to 70 years back, he said, if you can breathe, you can do yoga. What I say is, if you are a human being and alive, you can do yoga. So what I mean to say is, even after 50 or 60 or 70 or 80, anybody can do yoga. Absolutely, there is no issues about that. But it has to be tailor-made for those persons who are having some medical issues. If you don't have a flexibility, you can always tell the yoga teacher about that and we can do it. Okay. Now, I always like teaching to the older generation because older generations they have a commitment and they don't have much commitments outside. Or many persons whom I teach are retired, and many persons they are having problems, they are having some physical issues, so they want to get rid of that physical issues, so they know that yoga is the best, and there is a consistency. They don't have any commitments, so they just come every day to the yoga class. Okay, and I normally sit with those persons and have a chat for nearly 50 to 20 minutes. After that only I take them for the yoga classes. In yoga classes, if you take, there is a yoga class and there is a private yoga session. So for those persons after 50 having problem, I always like to take only private sessions for some time, and then after that, they can go on to the next class. Now, what do they want? What does a 50 plus person want? Okay, I always tell to the persons that, okay, so they come here, they come to yoga classes not for doing yoga. They come to the yoga class only to address to their issues. Many persons may be having physical issues, medical issues, so they are coming only for that. They are not coming here for any exactly to do the yoga sessions. Now, what should the yoga give? What should be the benefit for a person who is coming to the yoga class? Okay, what they need is flexibility of the spine. Normally the spine will become rigid after 40 or 50, so they need flexibility. Okay, and rigidity in all the joints, shoulder joints, wrists, knees and all that, it leads to pain, imbalance and hunchback. Many times 50 plus persons or 60 plus persons, they fall down. They fall down. So it should not happen. So for that, yoga is best. Very simple asanas. Very simple asanas. So what do they need? They need only mobility of the spine. Okay, and core strength. Core strength. Not only abdominal strength. Core muscles are something different. Okay, so they need core strength and they need total muscle strength, flexibility, stability, balance. These are the things they need. Now what do they want finally at home? What should happen to them? Okay, they need to sit and play with their grandchildren. That should happen. Will that happen or not? If it happens, yoga is success. Cook and clean without any dependency. Walk with the least dependence. They just need to go for a shop, for a medical shop or a park nearby. So will that happen? Yes, that will happen with yoga. Sit in and come out of the car. That is important. A son or daughter may be having a car, but sitting inside and coming out of the car will be a great difficulty. That should not happen. They should be able to sit inside and come out of the car without any problem. And if a lady is cooking, okay, the shelves will be on the at 6 to 8 feet height. So she must be able to pull out the jars or the boxes, okay, without any difficulty in the spine. Normally, due to the hunchback, hunchback and osteoporosis, the height is also reduced. So she will not be able to reach out and take all those things in the kitchen. So will that happen? Yes, that will happen. And finally, all this workout will be useful to do a namaskar in the temple. I know many persons come to me only for this. I remember one lady used to come, okay. She was around 60 years old, retired, bank employee. She came only for this. She would say, Guruji, I want to sit down and do some puja. I want to do a namaskar in the temple. Many times I am not able to do the namaskar in front of the Lord. So will that be able to, will I be able to do it? So these are the things which you need. So will this happen in yoga or not? Yes, it will happen. That is my guarantee. Now why are you waiting for it? You should do yoga now. Okay, thank you. Namaste. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.